When you're ready to edit your video, where do you go? There are a ton of different options available, and some are free and others are paid. Personally, I use Final Cut. I've been a Final Cut user for almost 15 years, but other big names are Adobe Premiere and Davinci Resolve. They all do the same thing. They let you cut and rearrange your video clips. They can add text and titles. And maybe if you're an advanced editor, you may notice a couple slight differences. But there are also free options available. If you're a Mac, iPad, or iPhone user, you have access to iMovie. You can layer and cut and edit any photo or video in your camera roll. And iMovie is the first editing software that I ever used. When I didn't have a Mac to edit on, I used a software called ShotCut. And here's a little secret. It can run off of a thumb drive that is plugged into your computer. So you can use it if you're not allowed to install software on your device. There's some great tutorials out there to get you started too. Remember, you're telling a story, not trying to wow people with special effects. One of the easiest video editors to use is Canva. Yeah, Canva can edit video, and it recently got an update. Once your footage is uploaded to Canva, you can chop it up and on the timeline, rearrange it and edit it any way you want. You also have access to all of the Canva elements to use to enhance your video. I can't wait to see the videos that you're producing.